What's going on, YouTube? Yet again, here we are on another beautiful Friday here in Florida. You know that a lot of the country right now, they're facing some cold weather. Doesn't seem to be the case here. We're gonna take advantage of the nice weather this weekend and take the ski out. This is my 2016 Sea-Doo Spark. It's definitely a fun little ski to take out there, whip around. It's not the fastest ski, but it's definitely the lightest, and it's really fun to drive. So what this video is kind of going to be is just a mashup of some Sea-Doo Spark action and what it's like to pull such a little ski with the Rebel after it's been lifted on the BDS lift. I haven't really towed anything yet after it's been lifted, so this is going to be my first time pulling anything, and I'm going to see if it's any more difficult than it typically is to back this down the ramp. So, alright. Actually, before we get out on the water, let's go over the ski a little bit more. Like I said, this is a 2016 Sea-Doo Spark. This was purchased brand new from the dealership, and this is an absolute bare bone base Sea-Doo Spark. It's not, it didn't have, you know, the 2 up or 3 up, or, you know, whatever it is. I'm not really sure how they rank their little trim levels, but this is the base. It didn't even have the 90 horsepower tune on it. We took care of that. It has it now, but it didn't from the factory. It didn't even have this covered piece up here. This is like the Sea-Doo storage lid right here. It didn't have that. It was just completely see-through before. I've added that. So really those are the only 2 add-ons I've done to the Spark so far, is just this little OEM container up there, and we actually got a tune on it. You know, we got the tune because it was getting done at a service place, not at the dealership. The guy there was saying, hey, for 250 bucks I can give you the 90 horsepower tune, so you'll have touring and sport mode. I wasn't going to turn that down for 200 bucks, so I got it done. I think it's like a $2,000 option if you're buying it new from Sea-Doo, so I got it for a lot cheaper. So let's jump up on here so you can get a little POV, point of view, on the Spark. So carry it right here. This is the key. Kind of crazy looking. Stick it in there. Turn it on once. Well, see, clicking on here, RPMs, how many hours we have on it. Hold on a second, airplane flying by. Alright, before I was rudely interrupted. Look at that. 18 hours, 10 minutes. We don't have a lot of hours on this thing, but hopefully we put some more hours on it this summer, as this is going to be another continuing project that I'll be documenting. So hopefully some of you like this kind of stuff as well.
See you next morning.
Alrighty, so it's the next day here. We got the ski all hooked up. Beautiful Saturday, a little overcast, but it should clear up as the time passes. You can see the truck right now, it's in normal mode. So this is, you know, just daily driving mode. And you can kind of see it's a little tilted. There's a little rake to the ski, but I think once I drop it into aero mode, it's going to be real nice and level. More or less just how it was when it was stock in normal mode. So I'm going to pull it out, level it. We can give it a look. Alright, so now you can see the truck, it's in aero mode, so it, you know, makes the ski, you know, nice and level for when you're towing it. So I would definitely suggest towing in aero mode because it's just nice and level now. Alrighty, so first impressions, of pulling with the BDS right off the bat. Exactly like stock. The truck pulls this ski like, you know, nothing's even there. The ski's so light, and the ram, it's really good at pulling, you know, something really as light as this. So very simple. You can see back there, not a, oops, let me turn it around. Not a bunch of visibility on the ski. I don't know if you can even see that right now. Yeah, no, that's shitty, but I always found this to be kind of cool little feature as well. If you go into the apps menu, you can click this button right up here, backup camera. Look at that. It'll show you right there. So that's, you know, kind of helpful when you want to back it, you know, back in a trailer or anything like that nature. Or if you just want to check on, you know, the cargo you're pulling. Let's drive it on over to the water, put it in, and we'll continue from there. Here we are, Key Lime House. Parked the jet ski on the floating ramp right here. Just jumped off, had some drinks, some lunch. Head back out on the water now. Cruise on up to Peanut Island. Donald Trump, mega douchers. That's what we do out here. Look at these fucking boats. These things are nuts. It's probably $10 million, $20 million yacht right there. And another one parked right up behind it. Look at that. Say yo. Here we are, YouTube, Peanut Island. We just docked up here, chilling. Met some friends out up on the water. They got their skis out here. Just out here chilling now. That's what we do. Winter in Florida. Not a bad life, huh? All right, so let's get back out on there and tear it up on the skis a little bit more. Alrighty. Now it's time to pull the ski out. I would definitely recommend dropping the tailgate because you can't see shit now when you're backing it up with just that little trailer. Let's come on in here. Jump on up. Let's go get her done. Alright, so there you have it. The skis up on there on the trailer. Bring it home now, flush it out. But yep, it's super simple to tow this trailer with the BDS lift kit. Exactly the same as stock. Just have to, drop it down into aero mode if you want to make it level, with whatever you're towing. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, I hope you give it a like. Drop a subscription in there. I'd appreciate it. Like I said, it's going to be a continuing project with the ski. So, all right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. You always want to make sure you flush out your ski after riding it in salt water. And little pro tip here, you can come right here, take some of this water, spit it out. If it doesn't taste like salt water, you know it's flushed. Kind of gross, but don't be a bitch, just do it.